Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 3rd of June, Thursday 2021. We had an amazing volatility and most of my traders bank amazing pips guys. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in real time and help my traders with the live market to bank amazing pips and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe my channel. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform, and please feel free to watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, as I mentioned you in my previous analysis, but if you haven't seen it, watch that link. Watch that video, link is given in the video description. I mentioned that price is developed major structure. You can see a head and shoulder pattern. So we will keep taking a short trade in intraday. So we were short from this level, as you can see here. Till now we were still short and bank beautiful pips today. Even look right now, the price is gonna hit at this level, then probably gonna be taking a looking for the counter long trade. But today we had amazing short trades and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys the today's intraday analysis in the EURUSD based on the 4-hour price action. If you look at the EURUSD, let me make it bigger guys just to explain to you in more detail. If you look at the yesterday, as soon as I finished my recording, I explained to my trader technically we were looking, as you can see here. Yesterday we had this breakout, after the breakout pullback, and that's what we explained to trader. We are looking at this pullback short trade on EURUSD. You can see here, and price nicely develop a short trade. Bank as soon as you can see a price nicely hit to the profit target. Bank beautiful pips. Then this morning, just before London Open, once we bank some profit, as explained to trader, look for another short trade pullback. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback. Beautiful short, because we were looking in 4-hour. Based on that, major structure is broken after the breakout. Beautiful pullback short trade, and we had a beautiful pullback short trade and bank beautiful pips. I also updated this analysis just because the trader keep asking me, what do you think? I said, okay, let me update the analysis. So I did another analysis. That is the, you can see here, symmetric triangle pattern. Because we were watching in 4-hour, more likely our bias was short on EURUSD. As you can see, short trade here, and later on PMI news for the dollar was good. The data news good for the dollar. So we had a beautiful, we keep holding that short trade and explaining to trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, beautiful. We had a first target hit and the final target nicely hit. Our final target was that 200 EMA. So you can see we had an amazing trade in EURUSD guys. Beautiful trades. Let's move into the pound dollar. Let's see how we did in pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, if you look at the previous 2 weeks, we had a sideways market, but we had a beautiful, one small long trade when the price respected at the 100 EMA. We were long, technically we were short, bank few pips, then we long, and afterwards once the data released and the news good for the dollar, so we were short and bank beautiful pips as soon as when the price hit to the major support level. Let me share with you the intraday analysis based on the 4-hour price action. If you look at here, so this is the analysis I did last night for my Asian session traders. We had a beautiful breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips. This morning when the price developed consolidation, that's what I explained to my trader. Look, price, if the price is going to respect this support level, or if the price gonna break this resistance, then we're looking along. And if you look at here, the price developed a double bottom. That's what we explained to trader. We had a beautiful, even in a 4-hour, you can see the price was at the 100 EMA. So we had a beautiful long trade. Afterward, as always, pull back, long trade, bank beautiful pips. Once we bank some profit, as soon as the price hit 142,000 level, which is previously respected in 4 hour, that's time we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, at the New York session, when the news was good for the dollar and the pound was coming down, that's what we explained to trader. Look at the price action. As you can see here, price develop head and shoulder pattern, develop another symmetric triangle pattern. That's what we explained. More likely, that's what we explained to trader. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish and the news good for the dollar. More likely, we might gonna have this breakout, and then we're gonna keep taking a pullback short trade here. You can see here in 4 hour, as soon as the price break the 100 EMA, breakout short trade. Look at the momentum was bearish, beautiful breakout and the pullback short trade. So we had amazing short trades both on Euro USD and the pound dollar. Based on the 4 hour price action, we refine our entries and exit. And this is what exactly we do every single day live. So trader, if they have any confusions, we make their confusion clear, help them to bank amazing pips every single day, guys. Let's move into the dollar CAD, guys. Dollar CAD, if you look at the yesterday we were short at the New York session, and today basically we were long. And let me explain to you. If you look at the 4 hour, price nicely respected this support level. And if you look at this candle pattern, beautiful. You can see here morning star pattern, beautiful. We were long whole day. Even we were expecting price might going to respect this level, but as price news was good for the dollar, beautiful. So we just keep taking a pullback long trade on dollar CAD. Let me share with you, based on this movement, how we analyze market and refine our entries and exit through intraday system. Let me share with you guys, we had amazing beautiful trades on dollar CAD. Right, so if you look at the yesterday we were short here, pullback, and today, as you can see here, most important thing is we follow the price action in intraday. The first priority was a pullback short here based on the momentum, but as you can see, we didn't see any red candle. Price nicely broken, as always mentioned in the analysis and through live audio commentary. We haven't seen any pullback. Price broken this resistance. Let's wait for the confirmation. So what happened here, as mentioned on the analysis, broken, retest, say guys, ready for the ride. So we have taken long bank. As soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the previous high, bank beautiful pips. When the data was good for the dollar PMI, and that's what we explained to trader, more likely the price is gonna break this level, and then we're going to enjoy a long ride. And this is what exactly happened. You can see here, so news was good and explained to trader, price respected this level, so more likely we were gonna see another pullback, or if the price gonna break this level, we're just gonna keep taking a breakout long trade. Here you can see here breakout, that was this breakout, by the way. So in the previous high in 4 hour, then afterwards, as soon as the price hit to the orange EMA, we explained to trader, look, another pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback. So we bank beautiful. You can see here we were long from here, keep taking a pullback, this pullback, this pullback, this breakout pullback, this pullback. So we really enjoyed today on dollar CAD. Technically, we enjoy most of the pairs. We had a bank beautiful pips. Most of the pair we had amazing major structure broken. So let's see tomorrow. We have non-farm payroll. Let's see guys how we're going to be doing tomorrow. We'll let you know. All right. So if you look at Aussie dollar, you can see here major structure broken. Beautiful. We were short trade here. You can see here 4 hour. Beautiful rejection, and that's what we explained trader. Look here, rejection here in 4 hour, beautiful breakout in 4 hour, beautiful short trade. As you can see in Aussie dollar, we had a beautiful breakout. As you can see here, what a nice sexy trade. You can see here, beautiful price nicely broken. And if you look at here, look at this analysis. So guys, pullback here, breakout, just keep taking a pullback. And what happened here afterwards? Breakout, pullback, breakout, and we keep taking a pullback short trade. And that's what we had another pullback short trade, by the way. Beautiful pips. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Trust me, when you're going to be seeing it live, that's the more interesting and the more joyful when you be banking nice pips through this intraday analysis. As I said to you guys, my major objective is to train trader or help trader through live intraday analysis in the real time. This is the best practice to develop your trading skill, and once you develop, you show us that you're banking pips, we can also open door for you trading funds. And if you are interested how I coach and train through this platform in real time, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader guys, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. We analyze in 4 hours, we refine our entries in intraday, and we enjoy banking every single day. Watch all of my past analysis. Look how we describe the whole journey as an intraday trader. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.